Watch this doodle to see inside the mind of a master procrastinator and learn how to avoid the typical mistakes with hints and tips from the TED speaker, Tim Urban. I hope you enjoy it. Have you ever sat down to start an important task, only to find yourself deep in a Wikipedia rabbit hole 2 hours later? Or maybe watching cat videos when you should be working? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to the chaotic world of procrastination, where deadlines are ignored, guilt is a constant companion, and somehow we always manage to finish things just in the nick of time. But why do we do this to ourselves? Tim Urban, a self-proclaimed master procrastinator, decided to explore the mind of procrastinators, discovering both hilarious and terrifying insights. Inside every person's brain, there's a rational decision maker, a responsible figure who plans ahead, makes schedules, and ensures we do what we should be doing. But in the mind of a procrastinator, there's another enthusiastic character, the instant gratification monkey. He lives for fun, distractions, and easy pleasures. He's why you suddenly feel the urgent need to check social media when you're supposed to be finishing an important project. When the monkey is in control, we enter the dark playground, a place where you're supposed to be working, but instead you're doing anything but that. There's an underlying sense of guilt, anxiety, and self-hatred. The rational decision maker tries to regain control, but the monkey insists, relax, we still have plenty of time. Until, enter the panic monster, the only thing that scares the instant gratification monkey. He wakes up when a deadline is dangerously close. Suddenly, the monkey freaks out, allowing the rational decision maker to take control. This is why procrastinators work best under pressure. Not because they want to, but because they have to. Now, this cycle of last-minute panic and productivity works for things with deadlines. But what about things that don't have deadlines? For these, the panic monster never wakes up, and so nothing ever gets done. This leads to long-term regret. Tim Urban uses a life calendar to show how limited our time really is. Each square represents 1 week of a 90-year life. The real question is, what are you procrastinating on that actually matters? If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you might never start. So, how do we escape the grip of procrastination? Be aware of the monkey, recognize when he's taking over, and gently nudge yourself back. Use deadlines, even for personal goals. Just start. The hardest part is getting going. The truth is, everyone procrastinates. But life is short, and the longer we let the instant gratification monkey run wild, the more we miss out on things that truly matter. So what are you waiting for? Go. Get started. Now. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more insights.